Arnav, let me tell you, we are also not very happy that Ramdev, a person of Ramdev's stature or Anna Hazare's stature,
Mr. Chari,
like Medha Patkar
Mr.
has to
Chari,
go on a fast.
Mr. Chari, let me tell you very clearly here now. No, one sec. I have to respond to you, Mr. Chari. You see, Mr. Chari, I asked.
One more thing.
Let me ask you. Let me. You know, you asked. You made said something. Let me.
One more question.
No, let me. Now you said something. You can't.
One question.
It has to be two-way dialogue.
Please, 1 minute. No, please, just one question. Tomorrow, if Anna Hazare were to go on a fast against Yediyurappa, will you support that?
Pardon me? I am only here to report, not to support. I am here to report, not to support. So that's my answer to you. It's straight and simple. I report, don't support. It's for political parties, the political activists like you to support or report. Even on this panel, my job is only to ask the questions on both sides. And I will ask the questions, and I will ask the uncomfortable questions, even if they are uncomfortable, because sometimes the most uncomfortable questions, Mr. Chari, from my limited experience, have more meaning. If I begin to ask comfortable questions, then I don't think I need to do a show.
No, it's not the question
on the
of
issues. The only thing which Times Now supports. No, 1 second. Since you're personalizing it, let me tell you.
I'm not personalizing it.
Mr. Chari, it is easy.
I'm not personalizing it. I am responding to what.
Then I'll answer to what you're saying. That Mr. Chari, since you are saying it, any 1 minute, any viewer of Times Now knows 2G, CWG, Devas ISRO deal, and each of the other scams of the last 1 year have been unearthed on this channel. I don't think Times Now needs to prove that it is at the forefront of the fight against corruption. For us, the issue is more important. None of these individuals really matter. That's the answer to your question. Mr. R.V. Krishnan, I want to bring you in now, please. Mr. Krishnan, where do you stand?
Yes, please. Yeah. Where do I stand?
Yes.
What is the question, Arnav?
The question is, where do you stand? There's no breakthrough in the talks today. Where do you stand on the talks?
I saw that.
And on Baba Ramdev.
Give me a second.
Yes.
Right. When we started this debate, you started the introduction by saying that so-and-so is in favor of Baba Ramdev and so-and-so is against Baba Ramdev. I think you and I are not on anybody's side. And you and I take sides with causes and not with people. People represent causes. But essentially what we support are causes. What I see as a member of civil society is that there are more and more people in this country, larger and larger sections of society, who are beginning to see that a large section of our politicians and a significant section of our government are actually dishonest. And they are not doing everything that should be done to fight corruption. And when you see leaders who have masses behind them, actually it's public voice. It's people's voice that is beginning to manifest itself, and everybody else are just media, the medium through which these voices express themselves. I think it is important that we do not associate individuals with these movements. We look at the causes, we look at solutions. The cause, in this particular case, I am given to understand, is essentially how to bring back the money which has been salted away abroad. Now, number one, let's follow logic. Is it true that money has been salted away abroad? If it is not true, the government should be able to come forward and say there's nothing been salted away. I've got this evidence, nothing has been salted away, which has not been done. You and I have been saying it for years that there's money stashed away and should be brought back. Nobody listens. So gradually over the years, these movements have become popular movements and more people are getting involved. So it has nothing to do with individuals. And I'm telling you this, if the government does not take measures to actually come and address these issues seriously, and I don't see any seriousness on the part of the government, unless they come and address these issues seriously, visibly for a large section of the population of India, these movements are not going to die down.
But then
please let me finish. I've got a couple of more points to make. As far as money is concerned, in fact, this is the tip of the iceberg. Gradually, I've started reading in newspapers and I've started listening to people. People are saying this token arrest of people is not going to resolve the issue. It's not going to solve the problem. We want our money back. Our money has been salted away within this country and abroad. And one of the largest source of this leak of public money is politicians and government. And if that is not true, prove it to us. If it is true, we want our money back. So please do not, please do not associate individuals with this. And let's raise the level of debate. Let's raise the level of debate and not personalize
Okay,
it.
fine. Quick
Okay, and
responses.
do not take
Quick
sides with
responses.
individuals.
There is a strong constituency which says Shobhade and Hartosh Singhbal first to Shobhade. Which says, what does it matter who's there? Each person is a tool in the fight against corruption. Anna Hazare is a tool. Baba Ramdev is a tool in the fight against corruption. Tomorrow there'll be somebody else. Let's support all of them.
It doesn't matter who it is.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Is
So
the
Shobhade.
cause true?
Let me get
Is the
Shobhade
cause
into this.
true? Do you want solution to the problem?
Okay,
if you want
Shobhade,
a solution
respond.
to the problem, I think the government must rise to
She's-
the occasion.
she's raised
and
her hand,
say,
let her
here is
respond.
the solution. Just may I take
No,
5
let her
more
respond
seconds,
to you.
please, if
You
don't
made a
mind.
point. I want her to
They
respond
should
now.
Tell. All right. Okay.
Shobhade.
You see, is it me?
Yeah, it's. I want to go to
Hello?
Shobhade first, then I come to you, Medha Patkar. Yes, Shobhade.
Okay. No, Arnab, I think we must make a distinction right now and right here that this is about a personality cult being very meticulously nurtured. It is not about the cause, it's all about Baba Ramdev. There may be 1,000 other Baba Ramdev like people out there who do not have the access, they don't have the resources, they cannot mobilize these numbers. What he has done, in fact, is galvanize public opinion, yes. What he has shown and demonstrated is that it is an emasculated government that's running the show right now.
Yes.
He's got the top guys on their back, on the back foot, scrambling for cover and trying to achieve some kind of a compromise, which of course the public is not being taken into confidence about. What are these secret meetings that are being conducted, and why can't Baba Ramdev be totally transparent
No, my
about this?
question is-
To talk about, so really that to me is the obvious thing. It is a
Yes.
battle of egos right now. And
Yeah,
there
okay.
is a personality cult that is being cultivated.
Okay.
So let's not fool
Okay.
ourselves about
Okay.
that.
Now,
It's
quick
not about
last
black
word.
money,
Quick
it's
last
about
word
a man.
before I go to my
Trivializing the
next debate.
problem.
Quick
I think we are trivializing the problem.
Okay.
I think the problem is much bigger.
Much bigger, you say.
than all individuals.
Hartosh.
Bigger than all individuals, and the government must be seen to be seriously addressing
Hartosh.
this and coming out with solutions
Okay.
which are
Fine.
credible
Now I've
to
just been told that the
and acceptable
VHP,
to the people
I've
of
been
India.
told the Vishwa Hindu Parishad chief Ashok Singhal will also be sitting with Baba Ramdev on the opening day tomorrow. So the whole Sangh Parivar has got galvanized in a way. Yes, Hartosh.
Arnab, that's no surprise.
It doesn't matter
Corruption
who
is a
says.
serious issue. If I can just finish, Arnab, it is no surprise. This is not the way a serious problem will be tackled. We have two very divergent sorts of people who've come together. People from a certain left viewpoint which terms itself civil society, and the right, the Swadeshi Jagran Manch, the
Yeah,
BHP are
both
very
sides.
much Baba Ramdev's constituency. And these have come together, both have a certain contempt for normal electoral politics in this country. That is what they are displaying. What they do not understand is, in this way, nothing will be solved. We will see a farce which will slowly dissipate within the next
Should
few
the
months.
Sangh
That's all
Parivar
that
stay
will happen.
out? Should the Sangh Parivar stay out, Medha Patkar? Sangh Parivar has got
Arnav.
involved in a completely direct and open way. Now, in your view, will it strengthen Baba Ramdev's movement? The whole Sangh Parivar, VHP, RSS, everyone gets in. Or is it better that they let Baba Ramdev run the show rather than seem to be taking it over?
To
I
show,
think these are the
may I
political
come in?
fronts
Medha Patkar.
of the main opposition party. These are the known political fronts or the social fronts of the main opposition political party, BJP. And when they all have come down to participate in a big way, where would this vote bank be dropped in ultimately is a question in everyone's mind. And you are right, Arnab, because they have not taken a clear position with respect to the Bangalore Development Authority or the POSCO project in Orissa and so many other issues which are leading to black money, which are leading to disparity, inequity, injustice. And hence, I think Baba Ramdev has already announced a political party. His political interests are not hidden. But take it for granted that today at least he is not for or against any political party. But ultimately, where will this whole mass support be favor, and whom will it favor is a question. So personification of movement,
Okay.
we are not for, although the leadership role matters, but also what matters is the role of the various political parties to the people's power and people's politics. And here, the Congress ministers are running to airport, while the opposition party is putting all its strength into the Baba Ramdev
There's something very strange.
It's a very mind-boggling phenomenon.
Some things are strange, but the strangest thing as I wrap up the news hour tonight on this part of the debate is the strangest thing is that you have the entire government busy, totally busy with its hands full handling Baba Ramdev, but not one statement. Devendra Sharma, very quickly, not one statement on Dayanidhi Maran, which is my next debate tonight. Not one statement from the government on Dayanidhi Maran. New documents.
Why are we seeing a conspiracy?
But why?
Aruna, whenever I look at the debates or listen to the debates here, I think Amartya Sen was very right. We are an argumentative Indians, you know. We all keep on arguing about something, we don't want to do something. I think there have been a lot of good efforts by Meda Patkar, Anna Hazare, to name just a few, and also by Baba Ramdev. I think we must appreciate that Baba has brought the real issues on the forefront. He has got his finger on the nerve of the nation, and he is doing what is required to be done.
At the same time,
I think that we must appreciate that. Now, who is running after him or not running after him, pointing a finger, I think is unfair. I think what has to be appreciated is that he has spent a lot of effort, 1 year, to do what he has done. He has created a fervor in this nation, and the nation is now with him. I think that has to be appreciated.
Okay, Devendra Sharma, the last point, quick, wrapping up. Wrapping up, gentlemen, only for want of time to go to my next debate. If the whole government can talk about Baba Ramdev, why doesn't the government talk about Dayanidhi Maran? Why is there silence on that front? That's my simple focus tonight. As I said, we are here to report, not support. To all my guests tonight, thank you very much.